Hi everyone. If you're looking for Windows or Microsoft Office product keys, there is currently a promotion available on KeysFan. As you can see, the first section is for Windows products. Here you can find Windows 11 Pro, Windows 11 Home, Windows 11 Enterprise, and Windows 11 IoT Enterprise. There are also Windows 10 options, including Windows 10 Enterprise and Windows 10 Pro. Next, we have the Microsoft Office section. Here you can find Office 2021 Pro Plus, Office 2024 Pro Plus, and Office 2021 Home. And if you're looking for a combination of Windows and Office, there is also a bundle section. Here, you can find different Windows and Office products bundled together at affordable prices. So, whether you need a Windows product, Microsoft Office, or a combination of both, there are several options to choose from. Now, let me show you how to find a product, add it to your cart, and apply the discount code. Open Google Search, and search for keysfan.com. And use the search box to find the product you want. For example, you can search for Windows 11 Pro. Select the Windows 11 Pro product and click Add to Cart. Now, go to your shopping cart and look for Applied Discount Code in the summary section. For Windows products, use the code MAC52. Apply the code, and you should see the discount reflected in your order. For Microsoft Office products, you can search for Office 2024. Select the product and add it to your cart. Then, enter the code MAK62 and apply the discount. Once you're ready to place the order, fill in the requested details as shown here. Click Update. Oops, I left out the email address. Now place order. You can choose one of the available payment methods, such as PayPal or credit card, and continue with the checkout process. For this demonstration, I'm not going to complete an actual purchase. If you want to check the current offers, I'll put the direct product links in the description below. You'll also find the discount codes there, so you can easily copy and use them during checkout. Check the links in the video description to see the available Windows and Office products and the current promotional prices. Thanks for watching.